Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts, and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline. Hello, Majin wa Trononoma Conas Atá Muj Galer Falcha. Huig Gaeilge Weekly Agron Cade is a Cuigjeg. Episode number 115 on Sochtan Show. Misha Liam o Learn Irish Online. Agus tá mé fear bhuiach. Very, very grateful. Go to Agéisteach Lum agus Linne that you're listening to myself, but also to us here at Learn Irish Online on Sochtan Show. Mila buichas. So Jagana tá real a one agam air on show. One rule. Agus sin nach mean me ag laurts fuin Gaeilge I hains that I don't speak about the Irish language itself is farlam laurts free. Ruddy ag sula, teamy tifrola, picture sport, telefish, ma hail and show, sa spawn, ma jarka, an sale, ma gan outlook or opinions or thoughts on different things in life. Ach, ni mahlam of ag laurts fuin Gaeilge mar capam in a launch in a hackfunny an shin in a lot of the resources out there hun an Gaeilge a olam Bindini just like Lord's Fuin Gaeilge I féin. People just speak about the Irish language itself and Kesh na Gaeilge, the question of the Irish language, and status na Gaeilge, the status, and so on. So much prefer speaking in Irish but about other stuff. So like Lord ask Gaeilge ach fui rodiela. Agus is dócha, I guess, in your níl mé hun an real shin a rishu. Ach by me glart fui Changacha. I was speaking about languages. By me glart fui Changacha a olam about learning languages. Agus by me glart nís mó na einar adela by me glart fuin gun capsha about this concept lífocht, fluency, or being fluent of ed lífa I Janga. Agus cén fá nach glacum lesh on concept shin. Why I don't kind of accept that concept or why I don't agree with it or just why I don't like it very much can fall knock that níon sé go mór lom. So just hun a shin a chur amach dús mas rud é gúil tú ag éisteacht le Gaeilge Weekly don chéador for the first time jeganá ní bhí me glart faoi fólam na Gaeilge no fólam Tangacha no ein rud mar sin ach inyo tá mé an giro is teach aríis ní an Gaeilge. I'm not going to focus in on Irish specifically ach Changacha ach nói beag na gach duine ag éisteacht leis an show seo tá sibh ag fólam na Gaeilge. Almost everyone listening to this show, you guys are learning Irish, so in a lot of cases this will apply to the Irish language as opposed to other languages in áit Changacha eile or just general skills. This could apply what I'm going to talk about to skateboarding, to learning how to paint, to learning how to get better at a sport, how to get better at golf, peirod, atá ann, whatever might be the case. So, dús lífocht, fluency, no a bheith lífa I Janga aigen to be fluent in a language. Cén fá nach bhfuil mé choin sin leis an smuoin of sin. Why am I kind of on board, or why don't I agree with that kind of idea, or why don't I accept that concept? Tá go mórnta Learn Irish Online beidir úsáidm an focail lífa or lífocht. Tá show actually on Malriacht. We have a show on the membership dar bhanam lífocht, but again it's all kind of with the idea of being able to speak more naturally or more fluent, you know, bheith an lauch níos lífa no níos nádartha. But what I have a big problem with an rud atá fibe more agam leis ná an smuoin of seo le Changa gohfuil tú lífa nó níl tú lífa. Agus tá sé dubh agus bán. Ní le náit idir an dá rud má tá tú ag fólam na Spáinische if you're learning Spanish an cheist a churcher I gcónaí. The question I'm always asked all the time, are you fluent? Agus cílíonn sé sin you're fluent or you're not fluent. Agus ní maithlam an smuoinú sin churbe. Dús ní maithlam an smuoinú sin mar seafóid atá ann. It's nonsense. Dús cad a chilíonn lífa agus cad a chilíonn fluent and to be fluent in a language. Well, you know, caham hain a lán ama ag lauert faoi Changacha I ma fus bín me ag lauert faoin Gaeilge le daoine. mar learnar an lein sin má fust láimsre LIO is my full-time job. Tá mé im choní sa Spáin le 2 bliana nús, so tá mé taréis 2 nó is 6 bliana ag fólam na Spáinise agus ag curfiaus chuid Spáinise agus ag labhairt le daoine eile faoin Spáinis freisin faoi láthair tá ag fólam na dálaise agus tá ag opair le Birch Woontree chun é sin a dhéanamh. Agus san am sin agus an méid de hathí agus an méid ama atá caite agam cheangacha nuair thula mé riomh definition ma fluent, no lífa. So I've never heard a good definition of what it means to be fluent. I know we thought to an another, tá sé go fluent nó fluid fiú I Maryland má tá ag labhairt faoi isce mar hampla ag teacht amach as fulcadáin coming out of a tap or a bath or whatever. It's coming out fluidly without stopping. It's not spurting out. Tá sé teacht amach go nádartha gan stad. Ach, okay, sin cearca leir ach má smuoiníonn muid faoi cheangacha mar hampla. Well, san nadális, tá mise in an a bheith lífa ag labhairt faoi lán rudaí san nadális. Má tá mise ag labhairt faoi má phleanana le haid inneo, nó má tá mise ag déanú chuirsís má fust. If I'm speaking about my plans for today, or if I'm describing my job trí bheán na hadálise through the medium of Italian, tá mé an rudaí sin a dhéanú go lífa in adverted brackets or in air quotes. You know, tá mé an a dhéanú gan stad, tá mé an labhairt mar atá mé ag labhairt tíorcanis as Gaeilge, or like I would be in English without kind of stopping and just speaking naturally. Like this, tá mé an é sin a dhéanú. San nadális má tá mé ag labhairt trí rudaí generálta, rudaí éasca, rudaí atá lán, clachtú agam Beidir ag labhairt faoi na rudaí sin. Ach, má churann tú ceistem, you know, chadíad do chuid smuointí rud éigen sa mochanílach mar hampla, your thoughts on something ignitional on a topic I've never spoken about before. Well, níl mé lífa an rud sin. Okay, and sin is freight latrá, well, chuna bheith lífa arís in air quotes, I danga éigen caiid tú a bheith lífa in ein topic. You have to be kind of fluent in any topic in the language. Few in Maryland, on Berlamar, on Sanga is far, on. English is the best language that I have. It's my mother tongue. There's topics in English I'm not fluent on. Má tá mise ag labhairt faoi quantum physics, nó má tá mise ag labhairt faoi rud éigen just nach bhfuil mé roimhhuiíach nó nach bhfuil mór an taithí agam ag labhairt faoi. Well, níl mé chuna bheith lífa ag labhairt faoin topic sin I Maryland, so ní léon seans sa Spáinis nó sa nadális nó I deanga eile go mbeidh mé lífa sa topic sin. Ach, chomala sin lá go lá tá sé chun ahrú day to day, or from day to day, it's going to change. Tá sé agsú le golfa imirt. Má híon tosa ag dtí an córsa golfa neo, seans go mbeidh tú an imirt cosú le Rory McIlroy láháin, agus an lá dar gion the day after, ní bhaid tú an líróid a bhúla. No, ní bhaid tú an a bhúla I lína díreach. You won't be able to hit it in a straight line. That's just how it is. Sin mar bhíonn sé orintha. So does that mean you're fluent? If we take the language example, má tá ag labhairt faoi teangacha, an gílíonn sé sin, does that mean grá tú lífa láháin agus an lá dar gion, cé grá níos mó rudaí arólas agat, even though you knew more things or had at least the same level as the day before, you're then not fluent? Níl cíle sin. Fiú má tá tú arís lífa in air quotes I deanga éigen, ach níl tú an a hiiscint roá. Well, ní charéonn sé leat a bheith lífa, gcónaí nuair támann sé ag labhairt faoi a bheith lífa, támann sé ag labhairt faoi an teanga a labhairt. Always when we're talking about fluency or to be fluent, we're talking about speaking the language, but that's one part of 4 main parts of a language. Cúirt faoi an teanga a scríomh, an teanga a léamh, agus níos tábhachtaí in aon rud an teanga a hiiscint. So to read, to write, and more importantly than anything, to understand the language. Má híon mise go dtí Naples, nó má híon mise go dtí an Rome, okay, Beidir go mbeidh mé an labhairt go hintach tar éis lán clachtú ach muna bhfuil mé in an teanga, muna bhfuil mé in an adális a hiiscint. Well, ní bhaid mé in an labhairt leis an duine. I won't be able to speak to the person because I won't know what they've asked me. Ní bhaid is agam cén cheist a chuir siad orm. So this idea of fluency an smuoineh seo le lífach ní málam ghfuil sé dubh agus bán táis agam tá sé Jackar má tá leathnach sais language learning agat má tá app language learning má tá Cvigiline language learning má tá Skull Skull na Tanga agat. If you have a language learning app or page or site or school, tá sé Jackar chun rudaí a dhéanamh agus bullshrocht a dhéanamh. It's tough to kind of do publicity and do ads and stuff. Gan an focal sin fluency a úsáid teige méid sin agus listen mar dúirt méid tá seo ar patreon.com/learn Irish online dar bhanam lífocht ach sa seo sin na gcónaí bíon muid ag labhairt faoi focal agus phrásaí gur féidir le úsáid chuna bheith níos lífa. No, iócail eile, in other words, níos nádartha, more natural nuair atá tú ag labhairt níl muid go bhfuil sé dubh agus bán go might to, gan a belief that you'll be kind of not being fluent until one day, and all of a sudden, once you kind of cross the threshold, straw that broke the camel back binary thing, 1 and 0, a híanag sanaj, all of a sudden, once you learn 10,000 words, and you learn that 10,000 word, you'll be fluent. Agus, ein size measurement sajin tú. Ní I brain sé, when you have 5,000 words, you'll be fluent more or less. Well, you could have 5,000 words memorized but not know how to string a sentence together. Seans go mai cuaig mhíle focal a rólas agat de glan bhauer ach ní bhaid tú an iad a chur le chéile agus abert a chrothú to create a kind of sentence. So, the idea of being black and white and smuoinú sin ghfuil sé dubh agus bán níl tú lífa nó tá tú lífa agus ní léon rud idir an dorad nó fiú. You're not conversational, you're conversational and in your fluent. Goal 3 no care level Sanentos Orpoch mar hampla in the EU. There's this framework of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Get mag Z0 fresh and Montatu. So it's mar Hossahor, Kate von Gade if you're 100% beginner. Then you can be A0. Ní mála mé sin ach an irid, mar hampla má swinú mise faoi ma héal an seo is Seville. If I think about my life here in Seville, tá áit agam lán daoine atá an Spanish acu mar a dara cheanga as their second language. Agus, tá lán daoine gur féidlumm smuoine fuhu, agus tá level an a difriúil acu, ach beidir mas rud é go ndéanthach siad scrúdú sa Spanish, go bhuaithí siad go léir B2. There's a good chance, even though they all have very different levels and one's better at understanding, one's more confident, one's got a more natural flow, one knows a lot more words, one more has got academic Spanish, all very different types. If they all did an exam, they'd all get B2 or B1 or whatever. They'd all get the same or within the same results. So freshly matlam on smuoine sin ghfuil cuaig nó sé level. So you might have seen the title of this podcast, Seans ghfuil teidéil an fud creile seo feice agat hana féin. And that is lífocht agus Pokemon. So I've talked a bit about the lífocht, tá neart caintse Jane tagan anis lífocht. A ceirt faoi Pokemon agus cin chuí gur féidir le Pokemon. No, ein character really, if fish clethe, any kind of character in a video game. Cin chuí gur féidir leis na Pokemon sin Pikachu no mar dúirt mé in character. Cin chuí gur féidir lo Carlat hon a bheith níos muiní le the dul chun cín. So Gaelga no in ein changan no ein skill fuse, how can they kind of be helpful to you or help you be more confident in your progress and understand your progress and the way you're going to progress in a language, in Irish, or in any skill, as I said, skateboarding, whatever you want to talk about, or learning the piano, doesn't matter, it's coming. Well, in the Zimmer Pokemon river seo agus nabí bortha muna bhfuil Pokemon imirtha agat tá mé chun é a bhíonú Arenos. So sa chluithe Pokemon mar hampla Jimmer mé haon Pokemon Yellow nuair bhí mé imóga. Yes, I am still young, I would like to think, but when I was younger, nuair bhí mé níos óga dearhan, I would say, bhí mé gimmert Pokemon Yellow an tám fad. Agus sa chluithe sin is féidir leat Pokemon all. Agus tá Pokemon sin level a hain. Agus níl sin an mór an rudaí a dhéanamh. Agus an áit dul level hain go level a dó agus level a 3 agus sin é níl éon level eile. Cai tú bioganín trainal ní mór an ach bioganín trainal a thuirt do the Pokemon agus thuirt tamil ba sé level iver a dó. Agus ba sé an cúpla rud níos mó a dhéanamh. beidir goil cúpla níos mó scéal aige tá sé ceart go leor chun cúpla rud níos mó a dhéanú in battle, which is what Pokemon is based on, battles in between Pokemon. So tá sé níos muiní, tá sé níos fearr go generalt, it's better overall. An sin tar éis tá leile tar éis beag ní níos mó tréáil level a 3, level a 4, level a 5, agus le gach level nó le gach cúpla level tá níos mar rudí gur féidir leis an Pokemon déine. Ní stopan sé seo ag level a 5 nó level a 10. Is féidir le lean an try níl mé cínte actually Pokemon kick of ward agus a hain na level ach dermid for these kind of purposes that you can get your Pokemon all the way up to level 500. Tatuan on the Pokemon is dulcha as well go the Pokemon leis an sévu a churgal nil sam level 200. Okay, level 500. That's the way I would like here. That's the way I think that people should think about languages or skills in general. Ceapan gúil sé sin mar an chuí is fearr chun smuoinú faoi teangacha ach níos mó ná teangacha skillina generalta in general. So that's the idea. Again, getting away from this black and white. Ag téanú dearmad ar an smuoine seo gúil sé dubh agus bán. Ach mar hampla leis an sampla seo I Django, with this example in languages, beidir iver level iver a chuig chéad sin contradúchas, native speaker, tá siad fearfa sa Django. Now, few contradúchas, ní leint in a fearfa in ein Django, mar dúirt mé héine. Tá an béarla mar an Django is fearr tá agamsa. English is the best language that I have. Ach, níl mé fearfa merla, má tá mis ag léamh leabhar go háirithe ag léamh fiction ó rud ag an níos casta. Something a bit more complicated. Fós tá lán focail tá Zachar dom agus focail nachhfuil feicia agam rive. You know, honnig mu sin I ri COVID mar hampla bhí na focail nua seo gus bhfuil le furlough or furlough níl sam cad é an fúm nu atá, I don't know how it's pronounced. Ach, bhí an focail sin I gcónaí ann a bhí seann le cúpla céad bliain anús. Ach, near hulamud na focail sin gotí rud éignas le COVID. So even in English or whatever your first language is cuma cén teanga tá agat mar the phríomh teanga nó mar the chéad teanga. Ní bhaid tú riomh nó ní bhaid tú go dó fearfa sa teanga sin. So, you know, fiú má tudhuig level a chuig chéad ní bhaid tú fearfach. Siad an smaoin ó rénos. Duine ag level a chuig chéad I Django. Tá siad san mar chaintradúchas. An lá agus níon tú le teanga tá tú level an áid no level a hain, level 0 or level 1, whatever you want to imagine it. So for example, if you're listening to this podcast, good chance, you know, chance má gohfuil tú an beag ní ghuail go labhairt, níl tú ró bhaoine nach ach tá tú an, you know, cúpla labhairt a chur le chéile agus tú hain le churniúil, beagganín, you can express yourself a bit. Tá tú an ghuailga a hiiscint, muna bhfuil sé ro happy if it's not too fast, agus muna bhfuil an canúnt ro láidir if the dialect isn't too strong, and so on, agus mar sin just so beidir gohfuil tú level iver a nócha 3, nócha 4, just on iver randomach a chur amach an sin. Agus maistan tú leis an bodgar le seo, agus an sin chain tú ar YouTube, féchan tú ar fí seán ar fad je, cuaig nóid jeig ar gramadach na ghuailga ar an tiisiil ginneadruk or whatever, agus amórc jéanann tú fiche nóméid nó trocha nóméid clachtú ag labhairt agus ag córá a scoilga. Well, seans má go mbeidh tú an sin ar level iver an nócha 4. Bhí tú ar nócha 3 agus an sin tá tú ar nócha 4. So níl sé an rud seo of cai mé bheith gobar fan na blianta honna bheith lífa agus just tá sé dubh agus bán. There's actually no, like an tam seo ó mórach, this time tomorrow, seans go mbeidh level 1, no if you gá level níos orge, I'll be a level or 2 levels up. The same way when you're playing Pokemon or whatever video games you might have played before, pe físclaí atá imirtha agat rive. Seans gohfuil tú, or no, gohfuil Pikachu agat agus gohfuil sé ar level iver trocha hain, agus imríonn tú beaganín a nocht, agus an sin, tá sé ar level iver trocha dó. Imríonn tú beaganín a mórach nó I gceann cúpla lá, agus aíonn sé go level iver trocha 3. Agus ag gach level tá sin an beaganín níos mó dhéanam. At every level it can do a bit more, but it's not these massive jumps. The idea of conversational to fluent, sure, it'd take a year or two at least of good study to go from conversational, again, whatever that means, and in some cadatá I gceist le sin go lífa agus hána féin tá mé tar éis rá níl is a géon den a réala cad atá i gceist le lífacht what even lífachtar fluency means. So ceapan le éon skill tá sé bhhad níos fearr chuna bheith ag smaoinmh faoi sa bhealach seo na levéil tirfriúla. Tá sé níos éasca de dul chun cín a bmhathú. It's easier to feel your progress mar rís in áit just bheith smaoinmh ní rá mé lífa an tachtan scate, ní bhaid mé lífa an tachtan se thugan, so níl mé níos fearr nó níl mé gairí níos fearr I gcónaí maithíonn tú, tá mé ar is cuma faoi nimhir. It doesn't really matter about the exact number. This, again, is a man-made thing. It's going to be a random number in your head. Ach mar hampla, bhí mé ar level céad sa dó, and is tá mé céad sa cahar. Má dhéanann mé beaganín clochtú nocht by mé ar level céad sa cuaig. And it's just this linear thing. And there's no one number that allows you to do a whole lot more. Níl sé cosúil le, seasca cahar, seasca cuaig, tá siad mar an géin ach an sin seasca sé tá tumnan a lán rudí eile No, just every level you're a bit better and you can do a bit more. Tá tú beaganí níos fearr gach level agus tá tumnan beaganí níos mó a dhéanamh. It's like when you were, I don't know, think of a child growing up and their height. Más minion tú faoi ords a fásta agus iad ag fásta with east. It's not a thing of gotta get to 1 meter and then to 1 meter 20. It's, well, no, you go 98 centimeters, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. There's the same gap on Varna Kena, idir gach centimeter. Neil Shake Sula, you reach this and all of a sudden there's loads of things you can do. Apart from maybe go on a fairground or a roller coaster ride, and that's about it. Shin. So I think thinking about it that way, ceapam ag smaoinmh faoi sa bhealach sin, that can help a lot of people. Go féidir le sin carú le alán daoine, and it's I suppose the funny thing on rud granver le alán gena skill in a seo agus mar hampla le teanga a ólam tá sé actually sais le dránach mar ní léon key or secret ní léon rún nó ní léon rud rí hábhaach just caiidú clachtú, caiidú labhairt, Jane cínse gúil tú labhairt, níl tú chun éirí níos fearr le labhairt na gaeilge nó labhairt aontanga muna bhfuil tú ag labhairt, sin cosúil chun dul as go skateboarding mar hampla, sin cosúil le rá tá mé géirí éirí níos fearr ag skateboarding ach níl skateboard agam, nó ní mé muíoch chun a bheith I cheasamh ar an skateboard. I'm not confident enough to stand on skateboard, or I haven't even bought one. Well, how are you going to get better? That's the same thing as trying to get better at Irish or any language. Aon teanga gan a bheith ag labhairt an teanga is gan a bheith ag éisteach leis an teanga. Just caiidú éisteach leis é a labhairt, é léamh, agus é scríomh, agus bí fistrach, be curious. Muna bhfuil rud éig an rólas agat sé go foglar.ai, sé go teanglan.ai, sé go dtí de foglar physiciúil, agus search a dhéanamh, focail a chóirtú agus an focail sin a ólam agus an sin tá sé agat agus just písa le písa a rion tú beaganí níos fearr gach lá gach seachtain agus chain tú sús na level, you go up the levels and there's no magic moment or magic there where it's like, this is amazing. You'll have different moments by, nóméids difriúil le dearn tú, tá mé actually ag airí níos fearr. Just linear progress agus ag airí beaganí níos fearr agus ag fólam rudí nua agus tas ag an ggóil sé sin on a ladránach. I know that's very boring agus bravrálam rá. These are the 3 top secrets, and if you listen to number 3, you can be fluent by tomorrow. Shots go might do leafo more, but that's all nonsense. Don't believe any of that. Because a lane skill ella, agus rudí mar have to learn Irish online. But you're going to explain the well, why do you have a business then that's literally content for people learning Irish? You can follow go know agat agus níl ann a content like daoine ag fólam na gaeilge. Well, cuid words, a big part of it, not just chun teachtarachtaí cosúil le seo chur amach. Tan teachtarach seo beidir níos cosúil le rud éigean a bheith ar Patreon. This kind of message, or this, I suppose, the moral of the story is something more that we do on Patreon, more academic stuff about learning the language. Ar Gaeilge Weekly, mar a dúirt mé ag tús an seo just being mé ag labhairt faoi sport, no telefís, no mahéla civil, no whatever. Ach, an is ríis is mála a bheith ag labhairt faoi actually, mar ealgóil gachtainna ag éisteach le seo, no beodnach gachtainna ag éisteach le seo, mar ealgóil sibse ag fólam na Gaeilge. Is málam óam gaham a bheith ag labhairt faoi cheangacha, and give you guys a bit of encouragement, I guess, as well. Agus beaganín mulla maidir leis an Gaeilge a ólam. But it's simple. You just keep on practicing, you get better, and make sure your practice is effective. Jin Kincha Gwil the clock the way fuck tool. You're not just sitting down in front of a worksheet for an hour and to just ag see sheets o score below Gibra fa org lig agus ag fólam rud aigen nachhfuil tú hon úsáid. Agus just airing tú beag níos fearr agus gach lá, gach seachtain agus tusa ag fólam níos mór rudaí. Ba tú ná níos mór rudaí agus chéan tú go ó level 164, level 165, level 166 agus tá tú sula Pokemon. Beag níos fearr, beag níos ládra, beag níos winini, bit more confident, bit stronger, bit better. That's it. I'd love to tell you there's more to it, but there's not, Neil. I'm not saying it's easy. Nil me grog will chase, nil chase got ach an erid. Nil chase got herbe. Ach, tá sé simply. It is simple, and I'll always stand over that. She'll only Thomas Austin a shin ará. So yeah, so put girl the buganid your fool and talked and show mar dorch my jigan ní vín meg larch we fólam na gwael agus ní ra meg larch really fi fólam na gwael gan yo vi meg larch fi fólam Changaka general to languages in general, not specifically Irish in yo. Ach yeah, mar dorch me initius reach now and again is modlum is though could bugadin mulla o horch jeev mar Hausagum Gwil Shiv ag fólam na Gaelga, so nice to give you guys a bit of encouragement or praise, I guess, to keep on going, because if you're listening, that means you're making an effort, and you're doing great. Just keep going. Just land right. Agus just chuinnirt ag airníos fearr. Don't be getting lost in all the noise. Not be ag fáil cailse sa turn the Irish, this dialect and this, you have to speak like this and this pronunciation, and you got to get to this level next year. Just chuinnirt. Keep going. Keep going. So yeah, sinné, guys, ní ceapan gohfuil mór an eile le rágam an teachtain seo, put chuir le beaganí níos gíre ná seachtaí eile. A little bit shorter than other weeks. Ach tásúlam gur bhain sibh taitneamh as an seo ar éanos míle buchas. As a bheith géisteacht agus ar nóí baimid arás an teachtain se thugan le gohfuil go weekly ach ba lán rudaí ag dul amach. Agus tá lán rudaí le fáil ar patreon.com/Learn Irish Online. No, Learn Irish Online ar an app Patreon. That is the Learn Irish Online membership, €10 a month plus VAT. If you're interested, free trial now available. Tá trial Sir Nashka anish le fáil loads more different shows. Eish Lífocht, ironically. Ag Astro, Leiarish and Swinchy Sahern and gaming videos. Loads more available over there. Hall on sin. Sinné, guys, le live on teachtain seo thugan míle buchas gur míle mágah slán agus bannacht. Goodbye and God bless.